Unlock the power of pronouns in online marketing. Imagine your words not just heard, but truly felt. The secret? Use the proper perspective, first, second, or third person. Master this, and you'll connect deeply with your audience and turn browsers into loyal buyers. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. First person, I or we, is perfect for guarantees or commitments. Phrases like "we promise" or "I understand" can humanize your brand. But a warning, overusing I shifts focus away from your audience. Keep it occasional and authentic to build credibility, not distance. Want to make your audience feel seen? Say you. It's the golden key of copy. Whether crafting sales pages or tutorials, you place your customer at the center. You'll love this, or your solution starts now, makes them feel valued and understood. Story-driven marketing thrives on third-person pronouns like he, she, or they. A good narrative evokes empathy and connection. By crafting compelling scenarios, you inspire your audience to picture themselves as the hero of your story. Now that you've uncovered the power of pronouns, it's time to apply it. Experiment, analyze, refine. Let's rewrite the rules of engagement, one word at a time. Rewrite your copy with one tweak today and see the results explode. Don't wait to elevate your words. Act now! Read the full blog post at newhorizons123.com.